Hello everyone, welcome to Study Hogs. My name is Abhishek and I am a faculty here at Study Hogs. So we are taking classes, we are preparing students for military school, Sainik school, and also we are taking for Navodaya Vidyalaya. So these are the subjects which are being taught and we have both online as well as offline facilities. So if you want to get in touch with us, then this is the website www.studyhogs.in, and also these are the contact number. We have various offers also running. So these offers are going to last till May end, and we have scholarships also. So if you want to avail this option, then please get in touch with the below numbers. The numbers are also provided in the description box, so you can go and check it there also. So today we would be dealing with the topic which is percentage. We would be starting with percentage. So what do we mean by percentage? So percentage is a number or a ratio which is usually expressed as a fraction of 100. For example, this, if I am telling 10%, it is basically 10 upon 100, which comes out to be 1 by 10 in fraction. This is the fraction value. So what would be the fraction value of 25 or 50%? So for 50%, the fraction value would be 50 divided by 100, which comes out to be half. Similarly, for 75, this would be the 3 by 4 would be the fraction. So generally percentage we are using as a part per 100. Per 100, what is the percentage? And this is the symbol. So this we are using to denote percentage. Okay. Moving on, since this percentage, it is a ratio of two number, it doesn't have any dimension. It is a dimensionless number. So 50% of a number. So you see this is like off. So what do you mean by off? You just multiply 50% is 50 upon 100. Okay. And 50% of 100 is you just multiply by 100. So you will get 50. So this percentage we can also express it in the form of decimal. So for example 0.6%, 0.25%, 0.5%. So these fractions or this percentage can also be defined in terms of decimal values. So a very general use case which we all have come across is when we are getting our report card or mark sheet. Generally we talk about what is the percentage of marks. So if we are telling 78% of marks, what does it mean? Out of the total marks, we have what? 78 percentage. So what we will do? 78 divided by 100, and we will multiply it with the total marks. So for example, if total marks is 100 and if the student has got 78%, then what is the total mark he has? He has approximately or accurately 78 marks. So this is what we mean by percentage, and this is how you can calculate a percentage value of a number. So what is, like, if I am giving you a number 2 by 5, then what is the percentage value of 2 by 5? You just multiply it by 100. You just multiply it. So this is equals to 40%. So if you have given a fraction and you are to calculate what is the percentage value of this fraction, then you simply multiply it by 100, and in the end you put a percentage symbol. This is the symbol which we are using to represent percentage. Okay. Okay, this is the same thing if we are asked to calculate a percentage of a number. So if we are given a p percentage of a number, for example, the number is 100, and if I have to calculate 20% of 100, then what we will do? 20% we mean 20 divided by 100. In place of this of, what we will write? We will give a multiplication symbol, and this is 100. So what you will get? This 100 will cancel and you will get 20. So if someone asks you what is 20% of 100, what would be the answer? It would be 20. Similarly, if someone asks you what is 4 by 5 in percentage terms, then how are you going to calculate it? You see, do 4 by 5 into 100. This is equals to, this is 20. This is equals to 80 percentage. Okay. Similarly, we have taken an example which is 10% of 80. So you do 10 by 100 and you multiply it with 80. How much you will get? This 0 and this 0 will cancel. This will cancel. So you will get 8. So 10% of 80 is 8. Okay. Now there is a concept called percentage difference. So what does it say? Difference between the two values and find the percentage difference. For example, if we have taken 20 and 30, so what is the numerical difference between 20 and 30? It is 10. But if we are asked to what is the difference between 20 and 30 in percentage terms, this is what we mean by percentage difference. So how we are calculating it? We are subtracting both the numbers and then we are taking a modulus value. So modulus value means we are taking only the positive value. Even if this number is coming to be minus 20, then we are going to take it as 20. We will read it as 20 only. And we are going to divide it by the average of the number. And average of the number, how we calculate? Average, we basically add it together and then divide. If there are three numbers, we will do n3 and then divide it by, instead of 2, we will divide it by 3. So this is how we are calculating the average of a number. We will divide it by the average and then multiply by 100. So for example, if we have given a question to find the percentage difference between 20 and 30. So what would be the answer? It would be 20 minus 30. We have to take the modulus value and then we have to divide by average of this number, which is 20 plus 30 divided by 2. And then we will multiply it with 100. So this is coming out to be minus 10, but since there is a modulus symbol here, we will read it as 10 only. So it is 10, then 20 plus 30 is 50, and if you are dividing it by 2, we will get 25, and then we multiply it by 100. So 25, this will be 4 and it would be 40 percentage. Okay, now we will move on. So what is the percentage increase and percentage decrease in a number? So to calculate the percentage increase, the formula is new number minus original number. You divide it by original number and then you multiply the whole thing by 100. And similarly, if you have to calculate the percentage decrease, then the formula is same. Basically, you have to take the modulus symbol here. So this is the formula. For example, if a number is 10 and somehow it is becoming 15, then what is the percentage increase in the number? So how will you calculate it? So you just do 15 minus 10 and you divide it by the original number and then you multiply with 100. How much you will get? You will get, this is 5, this is 10, so 50%. So when you are increasing 10 to 15, how much percentage you are increasing? You are increasing 10 by 50%. So 50% of 10 is 5. So you are increasing 10 by a value of 5. Okay, I hope I am clear. If you have any doubts in it, then you can comment below and I will try to answer your question. And if you have to calculate a percentage decrease in the number, how will you find? For example, we will take a similar case. For example, the initial number is 10 and it is somehow becoming, say, 7. So what is the percentage decrease in the number? You do original number minus new number divided by original number and then you multiply it with 100. How much will you get? You will get 30%. So if you are decreasing 10 by 30%, then this is the answer which you are getting. I hope I am clear. Okay, we will move to a new question. So it says let a bag contain 2 kg of apple and 3 kg of grapes. So there is a bag, and inside the bag there are 2 kg of apples and 3 kg of grapes. What we have to do? We have to find the ratio of quantities present and the percentage occupied by each. So what is the ratio? Ratio is basically we will divide. So the apple ratio of apple to grapes, this is equals to 2 upon 3. This is the ratio. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the percentage occupied by each. So what is the percentage occupied by apple? So to calculate the percentage occupied by apple, so in total there are 5 kgs. How are we getting this 5 kg? There is 2 kg of apple and 3 kg of grapes. So total there are 5 kgs. Out of this 5 kg, 2 kg is apple. So how will we calculate the percentage? We will divide this 2 by 5 and then we will multiply it with 100. So this comes to be 40 percentage. So out of in a bag, the bag is filled with 40 percentage of apple. Similarly, if you have to calculate it for the grapes also, how will you do it? You will do 3 divided by 5 and you multiply it with 100. So this is 60%. Okay, one other method you can use is we already have covered that anything, if this bag is full, we will take it as 100%. So already 40% is covered by apple. So how much is remaining? 60% is grapes. So this is another way you can do it in this way also. This will probably save you some time because you don't have to go into large calculation. You can just subtract 100 by 40 and you will get 60 as the answer for grapes. Okay. So and like we are going to teach you about all the things which are asked in the same Sainik school as well as the military school and Navodaya coaching. We also have a personality development class also. So if you are looking for any of these things, then please contact in the number below, or you can visit our website. There are currently offers and scholarships running. So the end date is May end. So if you want to avail those opportunities, then you please check out our website. We also have some social media handles, so you can go and follow us, and all the links are in the description box below. Also, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified about each and every video. Okay, so now we will go on and solve a new question. So it says Varun received his monthly salary. The ratio of his expenditure to saving is 7 is to 3. So, and what percentage of his salary did he spend and what percentage was saved by him? So what does the question say? Varun is receiving some monthly salary, and what he is doing? He is expending. He is basically spending 7 is to 3. This is the ratio of the money which he is spending and which he is saving. So we have asked to calculate what is the percentage of his salary, what percentage did he spend, and what percentage did he saved. So before going to the question, I want you guys to uh, take a pause in the video and then solve the question by yourself, and then only you proceed to see the answer. Okay. Okay, we am now going on to the solution part of it. So here you see we have given the ratio of expenditure to saving. So I am writing expenditure as E and saving as S. So E upon S is equals to 7 upon 3. So how much salary? So this is basically 7 part he is spending and 3 part he is saving. So total how many number of parts he is getting? 10 parts he is getting. Okay. Out of the 10 parts, he is spending 7 parts. So what is the percentage he is spending? 7 upon 10 into 100. This is how we are calculating, right? So you just add to this number. So you will get total number of parts, and then you just divide this two. You will get it as 70%. So how much money is Varun spending? It is 70%. Now I already told you anything we are calculating based upon the 100%. So out of 100%, if he is spending 70%, अगर आपके पास 100 रुपया था, ठीक है, और आपने उसमें से 70 रुपया खर्चा कर दिया, तो अब आपके पास कितना रुपया बचेगा? You will have 30 rupees आपके पास बचेंगे. So how much is this in terms of percentage? It is 30 divided by 100 into 100 percentage. So this is 30 percentage. तो ये दो तरीके से आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. एक तो है कि आप जैसे हमने 70% कैलकुलेट किया वैसे ही आप 30% कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप 100% में से 70% को माइनस भी कर सकते हैं, जिससे आपको 30% आपका आंसर मिल जाएगा. और ये आपको इजी होगा, ये आपसे कुछ टाइम आपका बच जाएगा इस मेथड से. ओके, अब वी विल मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो हियर हमें क्या दिया गया है? द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल आर इन रेशियो 1:1:2. फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ ईच एंगल. व्हाट विल द परसेंटेज ऑफ ईच एंगल? सो व्हाट वी हैव गिवन, वी हैव अ ट्राइंगल. हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल है. हम सब जानते हैं कि ट्राइंगल के 3 साइड्स और 3 एंगल्स होते हैं, ए, बी एंड सी. तो ये तीनों एंगल किस रेशियो में है? 1:1:2. 1:1:2 ये एंगल में है. हमें क्या बोला है? हमें इन सारे एंगल्स का वैल्यू बताना है, ठीक है. और वैल्यू के साथ हमें क्या बताना है? परसेंटेज ऑफ ईच एंगल. हर एंगल का क्या परसेंटेज है वो भी हमें बताना है. तो इसके आंसर में जाने से पहले आप एक बार वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए, then you start to solve it yourself, and then you see the solution so that you also develop a understanding. So there is a concept here. So the sum of angles of a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle, this is equals to 180 degree. हम अगर एक ट्राइंगल के सारे एंगल्स का समीशन करेंगे, सारे एंगल्स को ऐड करेंगे, तो टोटल कितना मिलेगा? हमें 180 डिग्री मिलेगा, ठीक है. अब मैं अगर इसको एक पार्ट कंसिडर करूं, इसको एक पार्ट और इसको दो पार्ट, तो क्या हो जाएगा? टोटल 1 + 1 + 2, टोटल क्या हो जाएगा? 4 पार्ट्स हो जाएंगे, ठीक है. अब इन 4 पार्ट्स का वैल्यू कितना है? 180 डिग्री है, ठीक है. तो एक पार्ट का वैल्यू कितना होगा? अगर 4 पार्ट्स का वैल्यू अगर 4 पार्ट्स का वैल्यू 180 डिग्री है, तो एक पार्ट का वैल्यू कितना होगा? 180 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. दिस इज 45 डिग्री. सो ये एंगल कितना था? एक पार्ट था, तो ये एंगल कितना होगा? 45 डिग्री. ये एंगल कितना था? ये भी एक पार्ट था, तो इसका भी वैल्यू कितना होगा? 45 डिग्री. ये एंगल कितना था? दो पार्ट था, तो एक पार्ट का वैल्यू कितना है? 45 डिग्री. तो दो पार्ट का वैल्यू कितना होगा? 45 into 2, which is basically 90 डिग्री. ये एंगल कितना हो जाएगा? 90 डिग्री. तो ये ट्राइंगल कैसा दिखेगा? ऐसा. ये एंगल है हमारा 90 डिग्री, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द सेट. ओके, सो वी हैव आल्सो आस्क्ड कि हमें और भी क्या पूछा था कि कितने परसेंटेज हैं ये लोग. तो हमें क्या निकालना है? ये 45 डिग्री 180 डिग्री का कितना परसेंटेज है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? 45 डिवाइडेड बाय 180 and then we will multiply it with 100. How much you will get? You will get as 25 percentage. Okay. सिमिलरली ये एंगल भी 45 डिग्री है, तो ये भी कितना हो जाएगा? 25%. और ये 90 डिग्री है, तो 90 डिग्री 180 डिग्री का कितना परसेंट है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? 90 डिवाइडेड बाय 180 और इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 100 से, क्योंकि हम हमेशा एज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि एक 100 जो है वो मतलब एक परसेंटेज जो है वो 100 के टर्म्स में है. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? ये 2 हो जाएगा और ये 50. So this will be 50%. Okay. Okay. Now there is one more question. This is if 16% of 40% of a number is 8, then find the number. तो मैंने आपको क्या बताया है, कहीं भी अगर ऑफ है तो आप उसके जगह पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल डाल दीजिए। और 16% को अगर हमें फ्रैक्शन में लिखना है तो क्या होगा, वो 16% का फ्रैक्शन होगा 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 100। आप इसको 4/25 भी लिख सकते हैं अगर आप इसे 4 से डिवाइड करें तो। Okay, now what is given in the question? If 60% of 100% of a number is 8, so how will you write it? 16/100 of 40%, so 40/100 of a number, so you just multiply it again with 8. Okay, so this is, okay, just let me erase this. Okay, so what does it say? 16% of 40% of a number, so let the number is n. Okay, so this is equals to 8. Now you have to find what is the number. Okay, I hope I am clear. If you have any doubts, then please do comment so that I can clear your doubts. So 16% of 40% of a number is 8. Then what is the number? So how will you calculate it? You just multiply 8 into 100 into 100, and then you divide by 16 and then 40. So how much it would be? This is 2, this is 50. You can cancel the 0 here. This is 25, so it is n is equals to 125. So this is the answer. So find the number. So the number is n equals to 125. So whatever you are asked to find, आपसे जो भी पूछा रहे, जो निकालने के लिए आप उसको x या n या y कोई भी एक वेरिएबल ले लीजिए, फिर उसके बाद आप उसका वैल्यू निकालिए, वो इजीली आपका वैल्यू आ जाएगा। We will see your next question also. Again the question is, what percentage of 2/7 is 1/1/35? So you have to calculate what percentage. So what we will do, we will take the percentages at x. Let x percentage of 2/7 is 1/35. So how will you do? X upon 100 into 2/7 is basically equals to 1/35. Now how will you calculate the value of this x? X is equals to 1/35. You multiply these two, cross multiplication, into 7/2 into 100. So this is, you divide it 7, this is 5, and this is 20, 2, this is 10. So x is 10%. So how will you do? 10% of 2/7 is 1/35. Okay, we will go to a next question. Which number is 40% less than 90? So let the number is x. We can do it in this way. Let the number is x. Okay. Which number is 40% less than 90? Okay. So if 90 is 100%, you have to calculate the 40% less than this number. So if you are calculating 40% less, then the number is 90 minus 40. So we are taking this 90 as a 100 percentage. So the remaining would be 60%. So this is the value of x. So you simply calculate 60 upon 100 into 90. So this comes to be around 54. So this is the value, this is the number x. Okay. Now what is given? Sum of 16% of 24.2 and 10% of 2.42 is equals to what value? So you do 16/100 into 24.2, then you add it with 10/100 into 2.42, and this is the result which you are being asked. So if you do 24% this one, so the answer is 3.82, and 2.42 is 0.242. You can calculate this value. You will get this answer. So the final answer is 4.114. Okay. Okay, now we will move on to some more word problems. So first one is a fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% apples and still has 420 apples. तो क्या बोल रहा है, एक फ्रूट सेलर था, उसके पास बहुत सारे एप्पल्स थे, ठीक है। उसने क्या किया, इसमें से 40% जो एप्पल्स हैं वो उसने बेच दिए, ठीक है। अब उसके पास ये एप्पल्स बच गए, इनका वैल्यू कितना है, 420। ये कितने एप्पल्स उसके पास बच गए हैं, 420 एप्पल्स उसके पास बच गए। परसेंटेज टर्म में कितने एप्पल्स बच गए, अगर हम मानेंगे कि उसके पास 100% एप्पल्स थे, उसने कितने परसेंट एप्पल बेच दिए, 40% एप्पल्स उसने बेच दिए। ये क्वेश्चन में दिया है ही सेल्स 40% एप्पल्स, तो उसने 40% एप्पल्स बेच दिए। तो उसके पास कितने एप्पल्स बचे, 100 माइनस 40, 60% एप्पल्स उसके पास बचे, ठीक है। अब इनका वैल्यू कितना है, इनका वैल्यू है 420। तो 60/100, और उसके पास मान लेते हैं, बोला है ना ही हैड हाउ मेनी एप्पल्स, मान लेते हैं उसके पास x एप्पल्स थे। तो 60/100 इंटू एक्स, इसका वैल्यू कितना है, 420। तो x कितना हो जाएगा, आप यहाँ से इसको माइनस कर लीजिए, ये 6 यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 700, ठीक है। तो उसके पास ओरिजिनली कितने एप्पल्स थे, 700 एप्पल्स थे। उसने कितने एप्पल बेच दिए, 40% एप्पल उसने बेच दिए। अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि टोटल वैल्यू बताओ इस 40% का, तो क्या होगा, 40/100 इंटू एक्स विच इज बेसिकली 700। तो उसने 280 एप्पल्स बेच दिए, और उसके पास बचे कितने हैं, 420 एप्पल्स उसके पास बचे हैं। तो उसके पास टोटल कितने एप्पल्स थे, 700 एप्पल्स उसके पास थे। ओके, we'll go to again a different question. So it says out of two numbers, 40% of greater number is equals to 60% of the smaller number. If the sum of number is 150, then greater number is, you have to find the greater number. So what I have told, whenever whatever you are asked to find, right, the greater, what is the greater number, we will consider let x is the greater number, let x is the greater number. Again in the question what is given, the sum of the number is 150. तो अगर आप एक नंबर x है और एक आपको सम में चाहिए कितना, 150, अगर आप इसके साथ y ऐड करते हैं तो ये नंबर कितना होना चाहिए, 150। तो y का वैल्यू कितना होगा, 150 माइनस x। तो अगर एक नंबर x है तो दूसरा नंबर कितना होगा, 150 माइनस x होगा, ठीक है। अब हमने क्या माना है, ये x जो है ये ग्रेटर नंबर है, और ये जो है ये क्या है, ये स्मॉलर नंबर है। x जो है वो क्या है, ग्रेटर नंबर है, ठीक है। अब हमें क्या बोला है, 40% ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर। तो हम क्या करेंगे, 40/100 इंटू एक्स is equal to 60% of the smaller number, 60/100 into 150 माइनस x। अब हमें यहाँ से x का वैल्यू निकालना है, तो ये 100 और 100 कट जाएगा, ये 40x हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे ये माइनस 60x हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे ये एडिशन में कितना हो जाएगा, 9000 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो 100x का वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा, ये इसी चीज को मैं यहाँ ऊपर लिख रहा हूँ, 100x का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा, 9000। तो x का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा, 90, ठीक है। तो ग्रेटर नंबर हमारा कितना है, जो ग्रेटर नंबर है, ग्रेटर नंबर कितना है 90, और स्मॉलर नंबर कितना है 150 माइनस 90, दिस इज 60। तो हमने दोनों नंबर निकाल लिए। हमसे पूछा है ग्रेटर नंबर क्या है, तो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, 90, ठीक है। अच्छा, अब यहाँ एक इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है, x% ऑफ y इज इक्वल्स टू y% ऑफ x, ठीक है। ये आपको याद रखना है, x% ऑफ y हमेशा y% ऑफ x के इक्वल होता है। इसको हम कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं, हमें बोला है कि 10% ऑफ 30 इज इक्वल्स टू 30% ऑफ 10, इसको प्रूव करना है। तो 10/100 इंटू 30, ये कितना आएगा 3। ठीक है, 30% ऑफ 10 कितना आएगा 30/100 इंटू 10, ये भी कितना आएगा 3। तो आप यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर आप लेके चेक कर सकते हैं, हमेशा आपको x% ऑफ y और y% ऑफ x इक्वल मिलेंगे। ठीक है, ओके। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारे पास, सुमन हैड अ मंथली सैलरी ऑफ $1200, उसको हर महीना कितना रुपया मिल रहा है $1200 मिल रहा है। उसमें से वो क्या कर रही है, सी स्पेंड्स $280 पर मंथ ऑन फूड, वो कितना पैसा खाना में खर्चा कर रही है $280। अब हमसे पूछा है कि कितना परसेंटेज सैलरी वो बचा रही है। अगर आपसे पूछा रहता उसने कितना सैलरी सेव किया तो क्या होता, $1200 माइनस $280, $920। ठीक है, इतना डॉलर उसने सेव किया। बट आपसे क्या पूछा है, कितना परसेंटेज ऑफ हर सैलरी, ऑफ हर मंथली सैलरी। तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप अज्यूम कीजिए कि उसने x% सेव किया है। ठीक है, तो x/100 इंटू उसका जो मंथली सैलरी है 1200, वो कितना होना चाहिए 920 होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो आपको x का वैल्यू यहाँ से मिल जाएगा, x इक्वल्स टू 920 डिवाइडेड बाई 1200 इंटू 100। सो दिस इज 76.667%। तो उसने इतना परसेंट सैलरी का अपना बचा लिया। ठीक है, now we will go to the last question of today's session. What does it say? Below given are 3 grids of chocolate. ये आपके पास 3 चॉकलेट के ग्रिड्स हैं। ठीक है, what percent of each white chocolate bar has a dark chocolate bar? तो ये जो व्हाइट चॉकलेट बार है इसमें कितने परसेंटेज डार्क चॉकलेट बार्स हैं वो आपको बताने हैं। तो यहाँ एक भी डार्क चॉकलेट बार नहीं है, मतलब यहाँ पे 0% है। ठीक है, यहाँ देखिए ये आधा फिल है, आप इसको एक एक चॉकलेट बार काउंट कीजिए। आप देखिए यहाँ पे कितने टोटल बार हैं। ठीक है, टोटल आपको यहाँ पे 50 बार्स दिखेंगे, और ये टोटल कितने बार्स हैं, यहाँ पे टोटल 100 है। ये एक एक सेल आप लीजिए काउंट कीजिए, ये आपको टोटल कितने दिखेंगे 100 से। ठीक है, आप इसको एक एक करके कर सकते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। सिमिलरली एक कॉलम में भी 10 है, तो टोटल 100 हो गए, उसमें ये 50 फील्ड है। तो कितना परसेंट हो गया 50/100 इंटू 100 विच इज 50%। इसमें देखिए सारे के सारे डार्क चॉकलेट है, मतलब ये पूरा ही डार्क चॉकलेट है, तो ये 100% फिल्ड है डार्क चॉकलेट से। ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे सोल्यूशन है। यहाँ पे सेम आपका 0% डार्क एंड वाइट, 50 डार्क 50 वाइट एंड 100 डार्क एंड 0 white, you can see in the previous one also. So this is the end of our lecture, and thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment section. I will try to answer it, and also you can like, share and subscribe. Please do this thing so that it will reach to a lot of people. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we are uploading any new video, you will get notified. Thank you.